Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, but if you're just seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel and I am a Nigerian based YouTuber. Today's video is a skincare routine which I'm very hyped about because I have changed everything concerning my skincare and I thought it's wise to share same with you. So if you like to see the changes I made, then keep on watching. Today's video is a skincare routine for women of color with hyperpigmentation, acne scars and acne prone skin. I am all of those and I also have sensitive skin, so imagine how hard it is to get a skincare product that will actually work for me. I've researched and researched, guys. I've watched so many videos, I've gone on so many websites, I've watched a lot of dermatologists speak, and I narrowed it down to these few products I'll be showing you guys for people with my type of skin. If you're returning on this channel, you know that I struggle with acne scars. I have been on this journey for the longest time, although my skin is way more better than it used to be, but I'm still on the journey and I am still struggling. Most of the products I'll be showing you in this video are from the Ordinary skincare line. I previously bought some of their products, but they were not for me, so I stopped it and went to do my research before getting this one. So these are tried and trusted. At least for the last 1 week I've been using them and I like my results already, even though it's not significant at the moment because it takes 3 cycles to regenerate skin cells and that occurs between 12 and 15 weeks. So I'm going to break it down into 2. I have my morning routine and my night routine. I'm going to show you guys what I use in the morning and what I use at night. Before we get into the demo though, I'm going to introduce all the products individually and just give a brief description of what each one does for the skin, so it can guide you in your decision making if you decide to purchase one or more of the products. The first thing I apply on my face when I'm washing is my cleanser, and this is the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. I only just started using this. This is actually my first bottle and I already love it so much. I love the fact that it's very cleansing and very gentle on the skin. Like I mentioned, I have very sensitive skin, so anything that is harsh is not for me at all. So let me just briefly read what it says at the back. It's a facial cleanser with a unique oxygen infused formula that helps detoxify the skin by removing pore clogging impurities, and it also contains bursting beads which release antioxidants, leaving your skin clean, fresh and visibly healthier, which I have noticed with my skin using this one. I really love it and I love the fact that it is oil free. I go in with a toner. This is a very simple moisturizing toner. I use a very lightweight toner in the mornings because of how harsh the sun can be. This one is from Miniso and it was gifted to me by my friend Soti. It contains aloe vera. You guys know how soothing aloe vera is on the skin, so I just tone my face with this. I just wet a cotton pad with this and rub it all over my face. And moving on to the first Ordinary product, and this is the only product I apply during the day. It is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1% serum. You guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to briefly tell you guys what niacinamide does. I know I'm murdering the name at this point, but that's it. Like, if you're an oldie on this channel, you know that that's my forte. Niacinamide helps even out skin tone and reduces pigmentation, redness and scars. It should not be mixed with vitamin C acids in the same routine. Guys, that is very overly important. You should listen to this one. They should be applied at alternate times. Niacinamide should be applied preferably in the AM, that is morning, and vitamin C acid in the PM, which is part of this routine. This is because niacinamide affects the potency of vitamin C when mixed together in the same routine. So this one I apply in the morning, as you can see, and yeah, it's part of my morning routine. I just love how it's evening out my skin tone and everything just getting better in terms of my skin texture. The next item I apply in my morning routine is the bio oil. I know that the name of the company and the name of their products is the same, so it's bio oil, and this was not part of my routine in terms of my face before. Bio oil reduces the appearance of discoloration, scars and fine lines. It contains vitamin A, which helps regenerate skin cells. I love that it is very mild, guys. I love that it's very mild. This has always been part of my body routine. I mix it with my lotion, but for my face it's something I just started recently and I've been loving it so much. Fifth and last product I use for my morning routine routine is a sunscreen, guys. If you do not have a sunscreen, please pause this video and get another one. Like, if you're a woman, even a man, anybody on earth, if you don't use a sunscreen, I don't know what you're doing, because sunscreen is primary when it comes to good skincare. You want to protect your face against the UVA and UVB sun rays, which are not good for your skin. So if you do not own a sunscreen, please buy one now, especially for your face. This one is called the Bondi Sans one. Most sunscreens out there protect only against UVA rays, but this one is a combo of both UVA and UVB. That is why I love it so much. And I love that it's SPF 50, although there's no significant difference between the different SPF. So if you already own an SPF 30, don't buy an SPF 50 because it's just a 1% difference. There's no sunscreen that protects you from the sun 100%. SPF 50 protects you 98% from the sun and 30 protects you 97%. So the difference is not much. I just wanted to go for the SPF 50. Please do not go below an SPF 30 as it doesn't give you as much protection as 30 and 50. Moving on to the night skincare routine, I'm going to show you all the products I apply in the night, and they are all the ordinary product. I learned about this by watching Dr. Hani here on YouTube, and I noticed that most of, if not all of the products that she recommended were advised to be applied at night because they are really strong direct acid and you wouldn't want to go outside the sun after applying them, hence her advice of applying them only at night. The first one here is the ordinary alpha arbuthin 2% plus HA, and it reduces the look of spots and hyperpigmentation on your skin. Like I said, this is applied in the PM, so this is part of my night routine. The next product is called the ordinary mandelic acid 10% plus HA. Compared to glycolic acid, which is one of the products I've used before and it wasn't good on my skin, this is way more suitable for sensitive skin because it has a higher molecular weight, and this prevents it from being absorbed easily into the skin. If you're a person of color and you suffer from sensitive skin and scars and hyperpigmentations and everything that comes with, mandelic acid is your best bet compared to glycolic acid. The next ordinary product I use in my nighttime skincare routine is the Azelaic acid 10% suspension, and this one evens out your skin texture and just brightens your skin. This is so good, guys. Very good. The last and final product from the ordinary that I use in my nighttime skincare routine is the vitamin C suspension 23% plus HA spares 2%. This is a stronger version of vitamin C product because it contains a high amount of elascobic acid, and with this one it reduces the signs of aging and it brightens the skin. It is a very effective antioxidant. If your skin is overly sensitive, I would advise that you go for the lesser potent one, which is the one that has the magnesium thingy inside. I'll leave everything in the description box so that you can go for that as opposed to this one, because this is way stronger but way more potent. The last and final product I use in my nighttime skincare routine is this cleansing and toning lotion from Boots. This is the tea tree and witch hazel one, which I have showed in one of my vlogs. I like to use this on days when I have makeup on. After cleansing with my Clean and Clear morning burst, I go over my face with this one and it just deep cleanses my skin and makes it very smooth and very soothing basically, and calm, because that is what witch hazel does. And also tea tree that is inside this also prevents further breakouts on my skin and helps in clearing the already existing acne scars. Okay, but this one I don't use every night because, like I said, I only use it on nights when I want to remove my makeup. Most of you that have watched my previous skincare routine, you notice that I was using the Drops of Light range from Body Shop, and I am not against that product in any way. I still even like it, but I'm just changing things now to see which will work better. That other one, the Drops of Light range, it was good on me. It clarified my skin so much. I love how glowy and supple my skin look. Then again, it wasn't giving me the exact result I was looking out for. I was very patient. I used that product for over 4 months. Yeah, if you're into skincare, you should know that 4 months is a really long time to start seeing visible difference. But that wasn't the case for me. I was glowing, my skin was looking supple, like I said, but the spots were still there, and that is what I'm looking for. I want to clear my spots. I don't want acne scars on my face again. So if you're someone who already uses the Drops of Light range and acne scars is not your problem, please stick to it because it's a very good product. I swear by it. I love it so much. I'll leave a link of the Body Shop review I did. So guys, with this we've come come to the end of today's video. I just had to show you my updated skincare routine and just tell you guys what I've been up to lately. Like I said, most of these things I learned from Dr. Hani here on YouTube. I'll leave a link to her video in my description box and you can go watch it. It's pretty long, but trust me, if you watch everything to the end, you understand skincare more in depth. If you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and also comment. That's engage in my videos. I always ask for this because I love it and I like engaging with you all. If you haven't subscribed up until this point, please do so, and also click on the bell icon so you are notified on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching today, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.